Kylie, serving vintage Jean-Paul Gaultier elegance like she just walked off a Parisian runway, strolling hand-in-hand with everyone's favorite artsy heartthrob, Timothée, who's out here rocking a Nigeria soccer jersey, a Nike hat and a green bandana tied like he's low-key hiding from the paparazzi and high-key hiding from sunburn. And let's not forget the entourage, because nothing says romance like Kendall Jenner third-wheeling in flip-flops and a $75,000 purse acting as a tequila balancing prop. And the best part, after 2 years of dating, Kylie finally followed Timothée on Instagram. That's not just a soft launch, that's practically a wedding announcement in Gen Z terms. So buckle up, because we're about to break down every sun-kissed, wine-sipping, bandana-wearing, beach-strolling moment of this casually extravagant French getaway. Are they the next Hollywood power couple? Or just two ridiculously attractive people doing PR magic in St. Tropez? No French kissing here. Kylie Jenner and Timothée Chalamet were seen innocently holding hands while traipsing through the south of France Saturday. The couple looked loved up as they went for a stroll at Chalamet Beach in St. Tropez while surrounded by friends and a team of security guards. The Key founder, 27, looked elegant in a vintage black and white striped mini dress by Jean-Paul Gaultier and skinny black sunglasses. She also carried a black clutch purse under one arm and completed the look with delicate gold jewelry and black sandals. Meanwhile, Chalamet, 29, sported a green and white Nigeria soccer jersey. He attempted to keep his face hidden by wearing a blue Nike cap layered under a green bandana tied at his chin. Photographers caught the Dune star and his girlfriend smiling flirtatiously at each other as they walked hand-in-hand. The lovebirds were also joined by Kylie's sister Kendall Jenner, who sported a little black dress, a gray scarf, and casual black flip-flops. Kylie and Kendall have been vacationing in Europe for weeks now, touching down in Venice, Italy, for Jeff Bezos' $50 million wedding to Lauren Sanchez in late June. The sisters were joined by their mom, Kris Jenner, as well as older siblings Kim Kardashian and Khloe Kardashian for the days-long wedding festivities. Chalamet, notably, did not attend the nuptials, as Kylie's plus one. After the Amazon billionaire and Sanchez said "I do," Kylie and Kendall retreated to a stunning Tuscan villa with the makeup mogul's two kids, Stormi, 7, and Air, 3. Kylie flaunted her curves in a leopard print bikini while relaxing with some wine and cherries. From there, Kylie, Kendall, and their entourage of besties, including Stassi Caranicola and Victoria Villarroel, were seen partying at ultra-exclusive Lulu's Beach Club in St. Tropez. The gaggle of gals took a dip in the clear blue Mediterranean Sea. At one point during their getaway, Kendall was also seen ripping a shot of her 818 tequila while balancing a $75,000 limited edition Hermes Kelly doll bag on her head. It's no surprise Chalamet eventually ended up tagging along on Kylie's girls' trip, as they have recently taken their relationship to the next level. Last week, Page 6 confirmed that Kylie officially followed Chalamet's Instagram account after 2 years of dating. The duo started secretly seeing each other in 2023 and didn't publicly confirm their love until 5 months later when they attended Beyoncé's Renaissance World Tour concert together. From there, Kylie became a staple at Chalamet's award show events, but they waited to make their red carpet debut until May at the David D. Donatello Awards in Rome. Kylie shares her 2 kids with ex-partner Travis Scott, while Chalamet has previously been romantically linked to Lourdes Leon, Lily Rose Depp, and Isa Gonzalez. And there you have it. The south of France just got a whole lot steamier, but not from any scandal, just from Kylie Jenner and Timothée Chalamet's slow-burn romance heating up under the Mediterranean sun. And now that Kylie finally followed Timothée on Instagram, after 2 years of dating, it feels like even their social media is starting to catch up with the real-life love story. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more celeb updates. Thanks for watching.